Boya production.
I was gonna change the PVC valve on this, but it's literally just, it turns on spitting, turns off spitting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna risk that because if water gets in there, bro. Right, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna mess with the electrics. What we're gonna need, come. What shall we need? Where's my lucky one there? What the fuck? We're changing the exterior. Fucking hell, rain on there. Right. Dealing with it. We're going sequential, okay? See how that came out, yeah? That's on that side. Come to the other side. Let's see where this one's at. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay, that's on that side as well. So now I know that the lights go. So they go like. The lights, they go like this, okay? Now I need to find out which way these sequentials are going. Because now, where's that T10 here now? I need to get in. Right, now I need to check because they're going that way, okay? Remember? I need to take him out, get him out of there, put him in. Come on, cock wobble. What are you doing here? Fucking hell, that's a fat face liner. Fucking hell, it's fat as fuck that for that. Right, I need to widen them out. See that, see the face of that? Get zooming in there. It's not fat enough to fit that fat bastard in there. Fucking cock wobble. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this in and just turn it like that. Make the face a bit fatter. Oh my god, you fat bastard. Nah, wrong one. I need the other side. Because remember, they go like that. I took them out like that, so therefore this needs to be. And that's it. You fucking. Oh shit. Bro, I don't think it matters, you know. Hold up. Nah, I don't fucking matter. Get up, damn shit, man. Right, see them? See them little shark tails there? Shark fins. You push them in first. Push them in. Oh, god damn, boy! You need some milk. Look at that, fucking beautiful, man. Yeah, and same on the other side. Come on, see. Oh, shall we go?
I think there's things in the down.
What thing? Oh, the battery, what's it on?
Yeah, I don't know, it's just black.
Oh, fuck. Right, get a new battery. We're in feet. Ready, yeah? Again. Pull that out. Ooh, hot on it. Right, widen him up. I'll put these in the link description below anyway. These. Right, let's get a cheeky little thumbnail. Oh, god damn, bah. Wait, hold up. One sec, come here. See the writing on them. See, get a zoom in on the writing, bro. It's upside down. They're supposed to be like that, but that makes no sense, bro. Oh, bastard. Let's swap them around. This is flashing like that, but see the writing is like that. So if I put that on that side, you fucking cock. Where is it? Which way do I put this in? Right, the road. Yeah, now the writing, see the writing, 12 volt 3 dot, now is all level. Tripping ball on there. So that goes in. Shark fin third, push that in. Oh, luckily I spotted it because I'm fucking H42. But you little southerners, you wouldn't know. Beautiful mate, we're flying through these, mate. I'm just a fucker. The face of this is fucking martial, bro. Look how fat this bastard is. Shall we just get a thumbnail, Sleep? Sod it off. Shall we, Sleep? Yeah? Oh my god, it's not... Fuck me. Right. Yeah. Oh, let's get a thumbnail here. I want to hold this one and this one. Like that, yeah? Thumbnail done. Shark tails in first. Look at that, beautiful mate. Beautiful mate. Get back, get back. Show them from an angle. Show them from... Yeah, there she go, baby. Nice and subtle in it. Footage, yanks. Right. See you in the next one. I need to change the PVC valve, but mate, it's whoever. Can I just do it, Zeke? Yeah. No, I don't know.
Don't risk it.